Manipur's 10 Chin Kuki Mizo Zomi Mar MLAs formally wrote to Union Minister Amit Shah, pressing for the re-imposition of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act ASPA in the valley. In a letter addressed to the Union Home Minister, the Kuki MLA said on 21 January 2024, the legislators of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly, sons, members from Kuki Zog Mar representatives, coercive signature of other non-Meitei MLAs adopted a one-sided, misconceived resolution which moves to abrogate the ongoing political discourse between the suspension of Operation Suo group and the state and central government. This partisan decision is nothing but a sinister ploy to demean and tarnish the image of the Suo groups. Further, the letter mentions the continued presence and reinforcement of Meitei personnel among the state commando forces in the Kuki-Zo border town of More and the proven embedding of suspected Meitei militia.